Hi, and welcome to the Resilient Distributed Datasets and Transformations section. This is part of the Learning PySpark video series. In this section, we are going to briefly introduce RDDs, a backbone of Spark and one of its first fundamental data structures. We'll also touch upon the fact that RDDs are schemaless structures that can help you handle both structured and unstructured data. Next, we'll go through a sweep of the most popular transformations available for RDDs, and we'll discuss the concepts of lazy execution. Finally, we'll show you how to join two RDDs. Let's get started. This is the first video in this section, so it's a somewhat organizational one. So we'll first discuss the system requirements for the calls, and then we'll walk you through a brief introduction to RDDs. To make the most of this video series, you'll need a working Spark environment. We are also soon to begin the hands-on set of videos, so if you want to follow the examples, you'll need either a local instance of Spark or a cloud-based one. Don't worry too much about running Spark locally, since our examples will not require extensive computing power. In case you don't know how to install Spark, Danny Lee and myself wrote a cookbook on PySpark, so check the first chapter. For the remainder of the series, we'll assume that you have a working Spark environment. Now let's quickly define what RDDs are before we start playing with one and create one. RDDs are schemaless distributed collection of immutable JVM objects. They were available from the very beginning, since Matei Zakaria started working on Spark. Simplifying a little bit, similar to how Hadoop works, RDDs chunk the data into partitions, and each executor receives a portion of the data.